Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. Thanks for tuning in for this video on irregular verbs and how you can study them. English irregular verbs are one of the most frustrating parts of studying English. There are no rules, it's a long list to memorize, and as usual, the pronunciation often doesn't match the spelling. That's why in this video, I'll show you a simple way to learn all the irregular verbs step by step, with the correct pronunciation. And all of that in just under 3 minutes every week. Sounds good? Then keep on watching. If a verb is irregular, that means that it doesn't follow the normal rules when you put it in the past tense. And that's of course exactly why they're difficult. You can't just take a guess at them. You really have to learn and know them. Now most students try to learn irregular verbs by memorizing one long list. But that usually doesn't work. There are just too many of them. So instead of learning 140 verbs all at once, we need a different approach. That's why this playlist works with small, clear steps. In each video, you will learn 10 common irregular verbs. You'll learn the infinitive, the past simple and the past participle with the correct pronunciation. And each video takes less than 3 minutes. This makes learning them easy. Easy to study, easy to repeat, easy to practice, and easy to remember. One video per week is enough to make some real progress in learning English. So, if you want to study these verbs efficiently, start with the first video in this playlist. Watch the video, read the verbs out loud with me, and check in again after 1 week. By taking this step by step, you won't overload your memory. And also, your pronunciation will improve at the same time. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started with video 1. If you feel that this helps you, feel free to save the playlist or share it with other English students. Good luck and see you soon for a next video.